was the only thing I could figure out a way to get that go over.
We put a rock inside of some socks to tie to the ropes,
Oh, it's so slow.
and then they throw over a lot easier. Got the plastic all rolled out so we can attach it to the greenhouse before we drape it over to the other side.
Oh, it's so cool over here. It's so hot. Make sure we have enough on each end.
This keeps the plastic nice and square with the greenhouse while pulling it over the top. It's also nice to know that a gust of wind isn't going to cause a problem on this side of the greenhouse since we attached it ahead of time. We balled up a few more socks and tied it to the plastic.
Kind of even them out too, tighten them up so they're in the same spot. The second one needs to tighten up some more. Now the middle one. Now this end needs to go up some more to catch up with those. Okay. Now we'll all kind of go at the same time if we can.
Now it's just time to evenly pull to get this plastic to come over to the other side. In hindsight, having more ropes and more people help would have been ideal, but regardless, this worked pretty darn good. The guys held the plastic down tight while Jay secured the sidewall with wiggle wire. To secure the plastic to the top, start from the peak of the truss with the wiggle wire. The guys pulled the plastic down and out towards the sidewall while Jay was wiggle wiring. They did the peak on this end wall, then they switched to the other side to get that peak secure before they wiggle wired the lower part of the truss. With the plastic now secured, it's time to put the sunshade over the top. We attach the four corners of the sunshade first. Yes, there was room in the channel for another wiggle wire. Not every type of greenhouse channel does allow for that much room though. You can see how Jay had to stretch the sunshade on this side of the greenhouse. We left a little too much hang over the opposite end. We'll do it better next summer. And there you have it, one greenhouse roof. How would you have put it on? Let us know in the comments below.